The ESP electronic stability program keeps Mercedes-Benz buses on track even during difficult evasive maneuvers or tight corners, to the extent that the physical road conditions allow. Steering maneuvers at high speeds become a safety risk without ESP. Until it becomes a legal requirement, ESP is fitted on the new Citaro at the customer's request. After replacing an EBS or ESP control unit, and also after replacing the steering angle sensors, you have to teach in the ESP system again. You can identify an existing system by the switch, the pictogram on the display, or by the control unit which is installed in the luggage compartment at the vehicle's center of gravity. On the Citaro, the control unit is located behind the driver's seat. Depending on the EBS version, there are a variety of different teach-in processes. However, they only differ slightly from each other. We will begin with the Cetra model S415 HDH with EBS 2000. In Star Diagnosis, open the brake system control menu. Then take a look at the control unit version and check the name on the control unit. It is BS2. Now return to the brake system control and click on Adapt Control Units. Then activate the ESP teach-in procedure. Then select all the information, read it through, and confirm that you have read it. Then you come to the starting page of the teach-in procedure. Start the process. When you press start, the parameters for the yaw rate sensor and the lateral acceleration sensor switch to not taught in. Now it is time for the teach-in run. Take Star Diagnosis with you. The system is taught in automatically while you drive. Drive at least 250 meters and faster than 20 kilometers an hour. Rotating the steering wheel greater than 180 degrees to the left or to the right completes the entire process. After stopping and setting the parking brake, confirm this in Star Diagnosis. The procedure for the Cetra S415 GT is very similar. Once again, you begin in the brake system control menu. Look at the name of the control unit in the control unit identification. EBS 1C is the correct device. Back in the brake system control, activate the Adapt Control Units and then the ESP teach-in procedure. Once again, you come to the information which you read and confirm. Start the teach-in process. Then bring the diagnostics unit with you on board. Switch the ignition off and back on again after 60 seconds. Then disconnect the OBD cable and insert it again immediately. Now you can drive. This time you need to drive at least 500 meters with the steering wheel movements and faster than 20 kilometers an hour. Once the conditions have been fulfilled, the ESP control lamp goes out. Then the error memory is deleted when you turn off the ignition. Let us take a look at the Travego. Select Electronic Brake System in the Quick Test. Then check the name of the control unit. EBS 01B is correct. You recognize the EBS 3 system at the top right. Now go back one step and select Adapt Control Units and the ESP teach-in procedure. you know the rest of the procedure. So start the teach-in procedure and go for a drive. Take star diagnosis with you. During the teach-in run with the Travego, pay attention to the yellow symbol on the display next to B to E. When this goes out, then ESP has also been successfully taught in here.